Hey everyone, this is Jessica Norris, and I wanted to do this quick mini class on pets and essential oil safety. Now, there have been recently posts on social media regarding essential oils being toxic to pets, even when used in a diffuser, and I just wanted to put some of the rumors to rest based on scientific research and what we know about essential oils. And so a number of clients and customers have come to me recently asking if it is safe to diffuse their essential oils around pets. And the short answer to this is yes. It is perfectly fine to diffuse your oils in the same room as your pets if the diffusion is performed properly. If you diffuse your oils improperly, this will not only affect your pets, but it also will affect you. It usually manifests in neurological symptoms such as fatigue and headaches. So the definition of improper diffusion includes putting too much oil in the diffuser. So most diffusers, in most rooms, you only need 1 to 6 drops, depending on the oil, depending on the diffuser, depending on the room. It also includes diffusing for too long of a period of time and diffusing in a room that does not have proper ventilation. So when you diffuse properly, it results in only a few parts of essential oil per million of water vapor. And so improper diffusion techniques will certainly place more particles of oil in your air, and that will increase any chance that you have of an adverse reaction. So if you're going to diffuse around your pets, be sure that you diffuse small amounts of oil over short periods of time in a room with adequate ventilation, and allow your pets to leave the room if they want. Certainly don't make them stay in a room when they don't care for the smell. This is going to be true for both dogs and cats. So, question is, what is the difference in essential oil toxicity in dogs versus cats? And this is now I'm talking specifically for topical applications. So cats lack liver enzymes that help metabolize essential oils. And so theoretically, this is why cats are more susceptible to essential oil toxicity than dogs. And I've listed a couple of papers that focus on that. So the chance for toxicity increases when the essential oil is applied topically to the pet's skin versus diffusion. But I'm going to give you a good example of this. So there is a case study where 20 mils of, which is for the equivalent of 4 teaspoons of neat, undiluted tea tree oil, was used as a flea bite treatment, applied to, one second, let's hide that. Tea tree oil was applied to the skin of cats to act as a first aid for flea bites. So all 3 of the cats in this study got sick. One of them died. And so 20 mils is a ton of undiluted essential oil. And there are countless cases where people treat their cats with 1 or 2 drops of neat or undiluted tea tree oil directly onto the skin, or they dilute down their tea tree oil in water or a carrier oil, and pet is absolutely fine. So the bottom line is a small amount of any oil, of just about any oil, or a moderate amount of most essential oils will not harm your pet, and this is even true for cats. Never ever apply large amounts of essential oil to your dog or cat, because that can be harmful. And think of it in the same way that you would never douse yourself with undiluted essential oil. You certainly don't want to do that with your pets. So the one thing that I can tell you, the one essential oil that should be avoided for use on cats at all costs is pennyroyal oil, which was once commonly used for flea control. But my advice is, if you're going to embark on any particular topical essential oil regimen on your pet, make sure you consult a veterinarian first. And finally, I just want to touch upon the ingestion of essential oil in pets, and this should never be performed from a therapeutic standpoint, and basically you should never allow your dog or cat to ingest any essential oil. It's especially harmful for younger pets with or older pets with liver that may have liver disease. But a few licks can be harmful to any pet, depending on what the oil is that they've gotten into. So I went up on the Pet Poison Helpline website, and they had a list of common signs of essential oil poisoning, which I've listed here. So if you suspect that your animal has inadvertently consumed essential oils, just look for these signs. Don't induce vomiting or administer activated charcoal. If they have any product on their fur, wash it off with just hand dishwashing detergent. And call this hotline as well as your veterinarian. But that's certainly an issue if they ingest the essential oils. So that's it for today. If you like this mini class, please share it with your friends. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you haven't done so already, head over to our website at doobiedoobidoo.com and sign up for our newsletter. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll be back next week to discuss another hot topic in essential oils.